New Year from us here at Fox 17. Hope you've been having a great start so far to 2025. Today we've been a little above average, high temperatures anywhere from 35 in Grand Rapids to 38 for Muskegon and Holland, and towards Kalamazoo 34 degrees. Of course, with the intense snow rates that have been happening within these bands of lake effect snow, it has been enough to get us a little bit of accumulation primarily on elevated and grassy surfaces, but there could be some slippery spots on especially bridges and overpasses here through tonight as we are colder in those areas than on the roads. You can see here in Saugatuck we have fleeting light going on, but there's a little dusting of snow here on the deck area or the dock area, and that's what most of us have ended up seeing. There has been maybe half an inch to an inch of accumulation in some spots, especially on the grassy areas. You can see right around the 131 corridor and to the west is where we've seen some of those higher accumulations. Not a lot of it though is sticking, but with the continuation of this pattern through tonight, there could be some additional accumulations to worry about. Although as usual with lake effect bands, it will be heavier in other spots and very light in some. So scattered snow continues through tonight. We have a much colder pattern ahead for the beginning of January with highs expected every day in the 20s and mornings in the teens. And with this favorable northwest flow pattern does come the chance for additional lake effect snow showers pretty much each day. They're low, but of course if you get stuck under one of those bands, it can produce some heavy accumulation in spots. So through most of the rest of the week, chances for lake effect snow highest, of course, along the lakeshore, but some of us will end up with some of the snow getting carried along into the 131 corridor and beyond. You can see through our area here, we've had just scattered snow showers on and off today, fairly light, but at times a little bit more intense, and that's led to that accumulation. We also have gusty northwest winds leading to feels like temperatures in the teens and 20s, and that will be pretty common over the next week as more of this cold air flows in from Canada. We continue to have that deep northwesterly flow, bringing in the cold air and making it feel pretty breezy out there. Not the best days to be outside, but very typical for West Michigan here in winter. 23 overnight with those scattered snow showers primarily through the early morning hours, and then we'll start to see things diminish a little bit. Highs tomorrow though only in the middle 20s, so that will give us another opportunity for the chance for a few snow showers, although most of us are going to be pretty dry into tomorrow. Continuing to see those lakeshore snow showers through the early morning, then we should clear out by daybreak, but again some slippery spots will be possible. Much of our day Thursday should be dry. Going into early Friday though, as a low pressure system passes to our south, we'll continue to see additional cold air and favorable flow pattern to get that chance for lake effect snow showers to continue through much of the day. Does look like we'll pick up a couple inches of snow between now and Friday. There could be some spots a little bit more though, but right now probably 1 to 2 inches is pretty good estimation. Looking forward the next week though, you can see cold temperatures, highs in the 20s, mornings in the teens with a couple of chances for lake effect snow pretty much each day. Have a good one.